Alright, so we have the 55 back in the spray booth for the epoxy primer, and this is going to enable us to go in and do the final sanding out before we head into paint. So there's been a lot of detail work on the body to make it really perfect, and we were hoping to have paint about a week or so ago, but they're making a concerted effort to really be detailed about that. So here we go. We're working towards paint color, and this is the beginning of it. So Joe's just doing a final apply, and a lot of the other videos that we're going to see are going to be paint color. And again, paint color is going to be white with red, two tones. So we're looking forward to that.